But it's the first time you're actually shitting in the bush.
It's the first time I shit in the bush, that's for sure. I'm carrying it like a...
Wash your legs, just put your legs in the basin. No. Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I've been doing this village series for a couple of days now, and I hope you guys are actually enjoying it. And we're actually going to a nearby stream or river where we're actually going to do laundry where we're actually going to do laundry the African style. So I'm here with my mate Rory, and he's got his dirty clothes here.
Garbage bag.
Yeah, garbage bag. And I've got my clothes here. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Very beautiful view. Just the birds. What's the sound that the bird? What's the sound called that the birds? You know, the birds. It's always. Is it chirr chirr?
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Yeah. So it's so easy. It's so easy to find snakes here.
Oh yeah?
Very easy.
I'm glad you didn't tell me that when we were hunting. Or do they tend to stick to the river because that's where a lot of things are?
Yeah, in the bushes too.
Okay. I'm not a big fan of snakes.
So while we're actually going to do the laundry, we were called that food is ready, so we're actually here, you know, having some lunch. We got the as for the chicken, yeah, some cabbages and some omena and some birds. How are you finding it?
I'm excited to eat this.
Let's dig in. See you back on the road. We actually have to do the laundry. Definitely we have to finish doing the laundry, so let's dig in. See you back on the road. So we are done eating, and Rory has been given this is the first time you're actually carrying something in your head.
Yep.
Yep, so we're done eating. We're actually going to the stream, and yep, I have some dirty shoes here, so my dirty clothes, and yeah, so let's head over to the stream. I'm just looking for a perfect place to take a shit. Let me check here. Nope.
Yeah?
It's a very open place. It's an open place to take shit.
I've shit in public, to be honest.
But it's the first time you're actually shitting in the bush.
It's the first time I shit in the bush, that's for sure. Alright.
Yep.
Let's go.
Go.
Vincenz gave us some buckets to use. I'm carrying it like a African person.
Like a local.
Like a local.
This side.
Hey,
I'm here.
we made it.
Yep. Let me give you the soap. The water is not that clean, but it will work. Cool.
Sweet.
Put your clothes into there.
Now we just go through one by one and like squeeze them in, right?
Yeah.
Just mix it well. All right, cool.
So just do like this.
Okay.
Mm. The good thing is we still can do this. So just remove this one. This one.
Oh yeah. Lay everything out there once it's done.
Yeah. You squeeze it like this.
Squeeze dry.
Hi.
What?
Just enough.
Jump in.
You can add some soap if you feel it.
Yeah. Mine needs more. I have some. Oh, sweet. I'm doing the whole batch. Yeah, there we go.
Sweet.
Alright. It's clean enough.
However, how much our bags will be dirty, whatever is actually inside will be clean.
Wow, look at your water.
It's because it's removing color.
Yeah.
The trouser. So do this. Rings yours, put them here. Let me put mine here. Then when you're done, rings mine, put them there. When you're done, then we'll see how we'll carry them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why don't we carry them in the bag?
Oh, it's okay, but they'll be heavy, you know that?
That's fine.
Yeah, squeeze it.
Dirty.
No.
Wring it dry.
Squeeze this one. Try and squeeze this one. I want to see how you're squeezing it.
With this
The
hands?
black one.
This one?
Yeah.
Ah.
The water is very, very cold, so wash your legs. Just put your legs in the basin. No, no. Not like that.
Works.
Not like that. Put one outside, one inside, and rub the one that's inside the basin. No, 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 no. Just leave. When you put it there, there's the pressure coming from up.
Yeah.
So it might pull you.
Oh, that's fine.
You know, there's a huge pressure coming from the other side.
Yeah.
Coming this side, and when you put the basin facing the other side, the pressure will actually be a
So
lot.
you put the to the left.
Yeah.
Downstream.
Yeah, so guys, we're here. We're done with the laundry. I have my laundry. Rory has his. So, how is the experience?
That was nice.
That's all?
Yeah, it was interesting.
Yeah, so at least now we have some clean clothes, but some dirty bags. But that's it. Yeah.
Me in my case attempting to.
Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching.